Hi there, I'm Heather Gill with eXp Realty, your local expert in real estate here in Carrollton, Texas. And I have the privilege today to talking with Mr. Mark Miller. He owns Comfort Keepers here in Carrollton, and he's going to help us answer this question. So Mark, I'm glad you're on today. I've had people asking this through texaselder.care. Do you accept COVID patients in your business and what you do?
Yeah, we absolutely do. And so the reason why we switched is because there are a lot of my competitors that did not do it. Of course, for safety reasons. And
Right.
so what happened is in late December when COVID really spiked. With COVID and the flu, a lot of hospitals became overwhelmed again in December.
Mm,
So what happened is a lot of the patients that were in the hospital that were COVID patients, they were sent home, and because there's no more room in the hospital. So we actually had families, I mean, in tears saying we just need somebody to help because they're not clinically trained to assist their loved ones. So
mm,
we changed our programs to assist them, and
okay.
typically what our program is, it's there's a price minimum, of course. Because the person that's on that shift, we do not cross contaminate them, so they're on that shift only.
Oh, wow.
um right, so the accommodation, price wise, has to be there, to make sure at least the caregiver is taken care of, and of
Right.
course with the typical PPE, it's all there. The caregiver also is tested every week after each shift, just to make sure they're safe and they're not taking it home. But of course, they take the proper precautions, the mask, the face mask, the full PPE, just to make sure they're safe. But yeah, we do have a protocol in place in order to accept COVID patients.
Okay. That that sounds like a smart way to go about it, because with the way COVID spreads, having just that single person
Hmm.
managing and caring for that single person, I mean, that would almost be how you'd have to do it in that situation, just because it can. I mean, if it's as contagious as they say, and it looks pretty
Hmm.
contagious, then
Hmm.
that makes a lot of sense to me.
Yep.
So for those of y'all that have loved ones that maybe have COVID and are dealing with this situation and need that extra touch and need that extra care, y'all can reach out to Mark. Him and his staff can evaluate that and get y'all that assistance that you might need in that situation. So his office number's there, and also his email. So just reach out to him and he'd be happy to help. All right, Mark, I appreciate your time so very much. And yeah, thanks, man.
All right, thanks for having me.